So, I just had a guy come in. I gave him a quote on wrapping his vehicle, and he was a little sticker shock by it, which most people are. High quality wraps, they don't come cheap. We use the best materials, and we got a lot of years of experience. We know how to do this stuff. There's videos on YouTube and all over the internet of how to wrap stuff, but unless you actually wrap something, a video isn't going to teach you how to do it. It's kind of like doing push-ups. You can watch videos on push-ups, but unless you actually do push-ups, you're not going to get any muscles. So, guy came in and he was wondering if I had any extra pieces lying around, any scraps or something like that he could. He's gonna wrap his whole car in scraps, apparently. I don't know. I said it depends on how much you need and what sizes, whatever. And he figured out he had a good idea of how much it was going to take to wrap his vehicle. So I looked through some color books and showed him what materials to use, because he said, I was looking on eBay at this color. No. Don't look on eBay for anything having to do with wraps or graphics, whatever, man. eBay is junk 9 times out of 9. You may occasionally, if you know what you're searching for, you may find something good like 3M or Avery. But most people aren't searching for that. They're just looking for wrap, and they see material like, oh, I can get a full roll of wrap material for $100. That should be good. I don't know why they charge $3,000 to do these whole vehicles. Oh, Christ. So, I showed him some colors. Went through our little color books here. Found colors he was looking for. And pointed him in a direction. One of my suppliers that I use, they also supply to the general public. Just awfully nice of them, and good way for them to make a little more money. As a supplier, or as a sign shop, wrap shop, I get a little better deal on it than the general public, but it's pretty darn close. So, it's gave him the link, gave him the info, wrote down all the wrap materials, and told him about how much you're gonna need for it. Said good luck, because if you just pick it up and buy some stuff and order it on eBay and wrap it in your own garage, then I'd be out of business, not needed. Which I understand, $3,000 to $4,000 is a lot of money for most people to wrap their vehicles. That's why most people don't have vehicle wraps. There's cheaper options always, but cheaper doesn't ever equal better. Just means you save some money. Doesn't mean you save time or hassle. So, guess we'll see how it turns out.